Take a look at this gorgeous 1976 Cadillac Eldorado steering wheel that has been restored completely, but not back to factory new. Instead, the customer wanted to leather cover the whole steering wheel, and so we are happy to oblige and do that. And just look how gorgeous it came out. Another thing he wanted us to do, so everything matched perfectly, was to leather cover that horn pad. So we did that and got a very, very good match to the original in terms of how it was laid out and how it looked. So anyway, this is definitely going to dress up his Cadillac from what he had sent in to us, which was just a worn out, broken up steering wheel. So we repaired enough of it to be able to put leather over it, and it's one option that we do offer that can save some money, because a restored classic steering wheel takes a lot of time. They take 20 to 30 hours to do those jobs, so you can kind of imagine that it can't be done for the same price as a leather job, which takes 6 to 8 hours for the wheel itself, and then this horn pad took probably 3 hours to do. So anyway, we can fix you up whatever you need here at craftcustoms.com. Give us a call and let us help you out.